What else, sweetie?
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, Gene, sometimes you gotta rock and roll all night and party every day, but sometimes you just gotta write poetry and read it. Yeah, okay. Let's send it over to NANABOOZHOO with today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Take it away, NANABOOZHOO.
La 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 la.
Oh, that's really good coffee.
Yeah, huh?
That's really good. Makade. Mushkiki wabu. Should we make that the Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, sure. That's a good idea.
Okay. You ready to get started?
Yeah, if you are.
All right. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO over here.
What?
Looking just cute.
Get out of here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO, everybody. Welcome to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Makade. Mushkiki. Wabu. Makade, black. Mushkiki, medicine. Wabu, water. Huh, sweetie?
That's right. You tell him, baby. All right. Lights, camera, action.
Oh, if we only had 10,000 of the men who do no work this day.
What's he that wishes so? NANABOOZHOO? No, my fair cousin. If we are marked to die, we are enough to do our country loss. And to live, the fewer the men, the greater the share of honor. God's will, I pray thee, wish not one man more. Rather proclaim it, Westmoreland through my host, that he which hath no stomach for this fight, let him depart. His passport shall be made, and crowns for convoy put into his purse. We would not die in that man's company that fears his fellowship to die with us. This day is called the Feast of Crispian. He that outlives this day and comes safe home will stand a tiptoe when this day is named, and rouse him at the name of Crispian. He that shall live this day and see old age will yearly on the vigil feast his neighbors and say, tomorrow is Saint Crispian. Then will he strip his sleeves and show his scars, and say, these wounds I had on Crispian Day. Old men forget, yet all shall be forgot, but he'll remember with advantages what feats he did that day. Then shall our names, familiar in their mouths as household words, NANABOOZHOO, Natasha, Michael Lyons, Sabay, Mukwa, Benjamin, be in their flowing cups freshly remembered. This day shall a good man teach his son, and Crispian shall ne'er go by, from this day till the ending of the world. But we in it shall be remembered. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers, For he that shall shed his blood with me shall be my brother. Be he ne'er so vile, this day shall gentle his condition. And gentlemen in England now abed shall think themselves accursed they were not here, and hold their manhoods cheap, while City speaks, who fought with us upon St. Crispin's Day! St. Crispin's Day! All right. And scene. How was that?
So, back in the days of the grandfathers, it was the way of the Anishinaabe. It was part of the cultural practice of the original people to Turtle Island, that in the morning you would prepare a pot of coffee and, get up and read the paper, have some coffee.
Yeah.
I think it's just that simple, sweetie.
Yeah.
And so, what can I say about black medicine water? Makere, black. Mashkiki, medicine. Wabu. Wabu means is any kind of water that you sip. I know sometimes people think that wabu, that water is nibi.
Yeah.
Right, because of the water bottle.
Right.
Water. And it is. Nibi does mean water. Mm-hmm. But wabu is a water that you sip, like coffee, because it's hot.
Yeah.
Tea, anibish abu.
Anibish.
Hot tea, you say anibish abu.
Anibish
Cold
abu.
tea is just anibish. And that's also very cultural. Sometimes Anishinaabe people would drink cedar tea.
Yeah, huh?
Cedar tea, it's a good, it gets rid of the toxins.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, that was great. All right, back to you, boss. All right. Starting the table read of The Breakfast Club. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. Take one. The Breakfast Club by John Hughes. Blank screen against black title card. And these children that you spit on as they try to change their worlds, they're immune to your consultations. They're quite aware of what they're going through. David Bowie. The blank screen and title card shatter to reveal. Psh. Exterior, Sherman High School, day. During Brian's monologue, we see various views of things inside the school, including Bender's locker. All right. Nanaboozhoo, you want to read Brian? Yeah, I can read Brian. Saturday, March 24th, 1984. Sherman High School, Sherman, Illinois. Dear Mr. Vernon, we accept the fact that we had to sacrifice a whole Saturday in detention for whatever it was that we did wrong. But we think you're crazy to make us write this essay telling you who we think we are. What do you care? You see us as you want to see us. You see us in the simplest terms and the most convenient definitions. You see us as a basket case, a princess, and a criminal, correct? That's the way we saw each other at 7 o'clock this morning. We were brainwashed. Cut to Claire, car, day. We see Claire and her father sitting in their car in the parking lot. Claire is in the is the prom queen and is clearly a snob.
I can't believe...
And is clearly a snob.
I can't believe you can't get me out of this. I mean, it's so absurd. Take two. We'll start that over.
Claire is the prom queen and is clearly a snob.
I can't believe you can't get me out of this. I mean, it's so absurd. I have to be here on a Saturday. It's not like I'm a defective or anything.
All right. Can we get quiet on the set, y'all? Recording We Slip Out. Take one. We slip out. All right, boss. Whenever you're ready. Okay.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Well, we slip out right now, go downtown, what would they think? Yeah, what do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run away. My name is Emily. This over here, this over here is Michael Lyons.
I'll make it up to you, honey. Ditching in class to go shopping doesn't make you a defective. Have a good day. Claire rolls her eyes and gets out of the car and walks to the front steps. Cut to interior, Brian's car day. We're in Brian's car. His mother is there, and so is his little sister. He is sort of a nerd. Emily, will you read Brian's mother again?
All right. Is this the first time or the last time we do this?
Last?
Well, you get in there and use that time to your advantage.
Mom, we're not supposed to study. We just have to sit there and not do nothing.
Well, mister, you figure out a way to study.
And then Brian's little sister says, yeah.
Well, go. I know it's no federal crime, but you let me down, way down this time. I know I never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt and I was so far behind. We slip out right now and run away. Take it down, BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons, say hello.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
And on the show today, we're going to do that song. You wrote this song, huh? What's this song called?
The song is called We Slip Out.
We Slip Out. Now, what does We Slip Out mean?
It's about we slip out. Go.
Hey, I screwed around. Guys screw around. There's nothing wrong with that. Except you got caught, sport.
Yeah, Mom already reamed me, all right?
You want to miss your match? You want to blow your ride? Now, no school's going to give a scholarship to a discipline case.
Andrew gets out of the car and walks into the school. Exterior, Sherman parking lot day. We see John Bender walking towards us. He is wearing sunglasses. A car is coming towards him, but he doesn't stop walking. A car slams on his brakes directly in front of him. Bender gets out of the frame. Out of the car steps Allison. She is dressed in all black. She steps forward to look in the car's front window, and the car drives away.
Downtown.
You said in bed, it's over. Oh, I cried just a little inside. Why did I get sober? I know I never once crossed your mind, but you left me down. No, that was pretty good.
All right. Hey, why don't you
Alright. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gigawawa Minawa. Oh.
Hey, Natasha,
Yeah?
you want to send us out?
Well, sure. Hey, everybody. Just wanted to say, Miigwech Gabisan Dawieg. Thank you for listening. Dush, Miigwech Ganawabieg. And thank you for watching Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about rockstar cartoonists, Ojibwe language and culture. Southern bells are just cute. No. And, yeah, can you come back tomorrow? I will see you again. Gigawaban min minawa. Hoa. Oh, and hit that thumbs up if you like the show. Give us a subscribe to the channel. What else?
Patreon, PayPal.
Patreon, we got Patreon and PayPal. Click the links in the description. And Michael Lyons has some books for sale at Amazon.com. Books like none other than Rockstar Cartoonist by the Rockstar Cartoonist. Alright. Gigawapa man, Minawa. Hawa. What?
What do you do? What do you do at a time like this? What do you say at a time like this? Where do you go at a time like this? What do you do?
Ani Nanashinabe dog. Nanaboozhoo. Oh, take two. Take two. Sorry. Sorry. I can do this. I can do this. Alright. Bonjour, Anishinaabe dog. Nanaboozhoo indigenous cause. Neiman Wayndam Oma Noon Kum. Hello. My name is Nanaboozhoo, and I'm happy to be here today. Let's see, what do I want to say today? Okay, we're going to learn a new word, eh? And you know what that word is? Coffee. That's right. We're going to learn the Ojibwe word for coffee. So, it's a big word, but it was the first word my grandpa ever taught me. So here it goes. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Hard to say? Not at all. You can sing a song about it, eh? Alright, check this out. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. Makere mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. That's right. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. I need coffee. Okay, miigwech. There you have it. Gigawaba, man. I'll see ya. Okay, bye.
I could go over there and find a pick,
You could.
or we could play a song. It doesn't need a pick.
Oh, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No. Welcome to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe culture and language too. NANABOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. Welcome to our little show. We don't know where we'll go, baby. Nana, baby. Yeah. Welcome to the show. It's time to go home. La-di-da-di-do. Hoka hey, yeah, baby.
Good morning, Mino Giga Jabe, and welcome back to
BOOZHOO
Nanaboozhoo,
NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This here is the lovely and talented
Oh, get out of here.
Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And the star of the show, Nanaboozhoo. Take it away, Nanaboozhoo. With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, and tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder, with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail. Too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right.
Ooh, ah, na, 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 na.
I pictured a rainbow. You held it in your hands. I had flashes. You saw the plan. I wandered out in the world for years, while you just stayed in your room. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. You were there at the turnstile with the wind at your heels. You stretch for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded while you filled the sky. I was dumbfounded. You cut through lies. I watched the rain-dirty valley, and you saw Brigadoon. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Spoke about wings. You just flew. I wondered, I guessed, and I tried. You just flew, I sighed. And you swooned. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. All of the moon.
You saw
The whole of the moon.
hey, yeah. You saw the whole of the moon. Nah. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
All right. So, I didn't bring a pick.
That was great.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. You know, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like Gibberish, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO Legitimate, many more. Hit the links below. Miigwech. And this morning, I would like to play a song in the Ojibwe language.
Oh, really?
Here's a song
There's an
that
idea.
we wrote. I don't know. Maybe we've played this too many times.
Probably. But here we
This
go
is Blueberry
again.
Pie in Ojibwe. Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja.
It's a long word, huh?
Oh, I just thought of what song I can do
Okay.
after this.
Alright.
I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja. Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja. Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja. Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja.
So I went up and I asked this guy. He only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja. 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 Blueberry pie.
Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi Jagani Bakweja.
Yeah.
Mina Bushki Mina Sagani Batusi
Batusi
Jagani
Jagani.
Bakweja. Blueberry Pie in Ojibwe.
Now, ain't I blue?
Oh, but the song I was thinking we should play
Yeah,
one more time
okay.
is a Bowie tune. Can I go
Yeah.
this way? Yeah.
Yeah, just go get a pick.
You guys remember how to sing Golden Years by David Bowie?
Golden years? Yeah, of course.
Don't let me hear you say life's taking you nowhere.
Angel,
Come up the baby. Look at that sky, now life's begun. Nights are warm and the days are young. Come up the baby. Where's my baby? Lost that soul. Once I'm begging you, save her little self. Come up the baby. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows in these golden years. Last night they loved you, opening doors and pulling some strings. Angel, come up the baby. In walked luck and you looked in time. Never look back, walk tall, act fine. Come up, baby, stick with your baby for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold, wop, wop, wop. Gold. One day soon, and it won't be long, gonna drive right down where you once belonged, in the back of a dream car 20 foot long. Don't cry, my sweet, don't break my heart. Doing life, you've gotta get smart. Wish upon day upon day. I believe, oh Lord, I believe all the way. Run for the shadows, run for the shadows, run for the shadows in these golden years. I'll stick with you, baby, for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold, wop, wop, wop. Gold, golden years. Wop, wop, wop. Oh, wop, wop, wop. Gold, wop, wop, wop. Run for the shadows, run for the shadows, run for the shadows in these golden years. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Gigawaba min, menawa. I'll see you again.
Na 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 na, yeah.
They don't play no more, but I remember a time, 1984, or maybe 85. You sang the Salvation Army band played, and the children drunk lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. Bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, yeah, hey, they say. Never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes. And the train rolled out of sight. Train rolled out of sight. And the bitters came up better on a stolen guitar. How we were blessed like spiders from Mars. Bitters came up better on a stolen guitar. How we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, yeah, no, I like that. I thought that was a cool song. Okay, we're going on 11 minutes now. 11 minutes. Okay, let's
Okay.
do this. Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migizi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asivanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamut.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.
Okay. Ani Jonashanabe dog. And who am I? Awen and Gin. Who are you? My name is NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO Indigenous Cause. And you know what? Let's have another song. I'm feeling kind of musical today. How about this one? Awen and Gin. Who are you? Owen, ha 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 ha! I really want an Owen, ha 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 ha! Tell me what Owen, Owen, ha 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 ha! Oh yeah. Anyway, that's my bad impersonation of the Who. That's an old song you kids aren't gonna know about. Let me just fix my headphones. Oh, this isn't too funny. How long have I been doing this? 1:49. I'm just gonna go, okay? I feel kind of bad about this one. It's not very good. Maybe I'll do better next time. Okay, have a good night. Gigawabamin. I'll see ya.
wondering what it is I do that makes you so confused. Then the light in the street turned out on me, and the moon in the sky shines down on me, guiding me to a sense of reality. I make my way towards